Hi lovely people, it's Rachel. Welcome back to my channel if you're a returning viewer, and a very warm welcome if you're new here. You're joining me today for the unboxing of the Summer Experience box.
When you need colour, when you need light, when you need a rainbow shining bright, when it's overwhelming with all of your to-dos, go grab a sticker, it'll help you through. Get it from EllieBeth Designs, EllieBeth Designs, EllieBeth Designs, EllieBeth Designs, brighten up every day. EllieBeth Designs, EllieBeth Designs, EllieBeth Designs, EllieBeth Designs, brighten up every day.
So this box went on sale back in April, and you can see there from the card that is inside and was shared on the graphics at the time, a little hint of the theme. If you turn it over, it will tell you that our theme was about summer brights, zen gardens and relaxed tranquil days. And the reason for the koi carp is because my dad's garden is absolutely beautiful, and he also has a pond, and he has some koi carp and lots of goldfish in there as well, and it's such a place that's really relaxing to be, and I wanted to try and capture that. So this card tells you what's inside when you open up, and as usual there was a choice of planner pouch size, which I'll talk to you a little bit more about in a minute, and also what size stickers you wanted to have as well, depending on what planner you were using. So let's just pop this off to one side, because the first thing I want to talk about is the planner sleeve, except you can see here I've actually got a pouch. Now, one of my lovely customers asked for a pencil pouch, a larger one, similar to in the advent box last year, but taller, and I actually made a few of these, so there will be some of these going into the shop on Wednesday next week, Wednesday the, what will it be, the 23rd of June, as part of What's New Wednesday. But I thought I'd show you this because the pouches, the planner sleeves that were made, have this fabric and then a contrasting kind of deep poppy red coral colour. It's quite close to the scales on this fish here, and then inside they will be lined with this beautiful floral fabric as well. And I don't know, I'm hoping my camera might pick up that there is actually gold metallic in this fabric, and it is absolutely gorgeous the way that it's come together. So that was the fabrics used in the planner sleeve, and your planner sleeve could be in a large, which would fit up to kind of an Erin Condren 7x9, Happy Planner 7x9, the sort of classic size, a medium, which is designed to take up to B6, or sort of personal rings, you know, the big Foxy Fix rings. I wish Foxy Fix would come back. And then you could also get a week's size or a small as well. So, but I do have a couple of these that will be going into the shop, and they are absolutely gorgeous, and of course box bottoms, and they are lightly padded so they'll protect what's ever inside. I'm thinking I might actually use one for my electronics and things. So that was the pouch. Next up in our box we have some two sticker kits, and let me just separate these. Here we go. So I have got here the 7x9 size, which includes a weekly core, and this one is called Simply Breathe. I spent ages, I cannot tell you how long, looking at different koi and fish puns and quotes, and in the end I just thought, you know what, the whole point of this kit was to try and bring some bright colours in, but also have that idea of relaxing, and Simply Breathe seemed like quite a good little saying to have. So we have that one there, and I love this washi up the side, so much fun. Then we have the deco and half boxes. So these are what I call my kind of, what have I termed it? Deluxe Sticker Essentials. And so this format of kit has 5 sheets of stickers, 4 sheets of stickers, 5 sheets of stickers, but 2 are half sheets, as you'll see in a minute. And this one is deco and half boxes. Then we have the sidebar and headers, and oh my gosh, the colours, and some appointment labels, and then a sheet of washi as well. So that's, I mean, it's 4 full sheets if they were put together, but it is actually 5 sheets of stickers there. And this kind of deluxe sticker essentials is what I've been thinking about using as a format for a sticker subscription, which will be starting later on in summer. So let me know if you think that's something that might work for you. So that is the Simply Breathe collection, and you could get that with a mini weeks sheet or an A5 core if you preferred, instead of the weekly core. And then the other collection is called Summer Skies, and it kind of brings in the sort of secondary theme to the kit, to the box. Quote from Vincent van Gogh: "I never get tired of the blue sky," and that is certainly something that I feel very much. And so we have our weekly core. Let's have a little look at the deco, because it gives you a bit more idea of the scheme of colour and different artwork in there. I mean, those butterflies are just beautiful, and the flowers, and then sky washi down the side, had to go for a bit of that. And then the other washi page. Oh, I absolutely love how this came together. And sidebar and headers, and then the appointment labels. And I honestly, I'm debating which one I want to use more next week for my planner. I really can't decide. So we have 3 more things to go. The next little thing is actually not by EllieBeth Designs. It's from my good friend Mary Kay over at Colibri Charms, and she has a beautiful shop. And let me just get this out. And in it she makes planner accessories. She makes some, I think she does do some stickers now, but lots of planner charms. Sorry for the rattling. And stitch markers and such like. So this is a gorgeous little beaded planner charm, little mini cluster with 3 beautiful beads on there. And I absolutely love this one with its slightly iridescent take. So we have that as well as something a little bit extra. And I think, because I'm planning in my Erin Condor at the moment, so I'm not necessarily using planner charms, but I could always slip that onto my pouch and have it there as a little bit extra with the zipper pull, and I think that will look really, really cute. So let me just pop you in there so we can still see. So beautiful. There's a bit of a story to those charms as well, because Mary Kay is awesome. Let's just say that straight up. But she's actually made these twice, bless her, because the first set went missing in the Congo. Yes, the Congo. They got to Ireland and then the Congo, and I was like, what on earth has gone on? So, you know, she actually remade them all for me and sent them again, which, you know, that is exceptionally good customer service, isn't it? And it means that you have something beautiful to enjoy. So 2 more things in the box. Our next item is a special design storage binder for your stickers, and again this is all designed in the theme. Let's just see if we can get you to focus on here for the spine. Probably not. Oh, let's just pull back a little bit. There we go. So you can see you've got your koi carp and the lily pad, and then a beautiful scene on the front. And the idea with these binders is that all of your sheets are A5 size, so you can take the washi off the side first. You can actually store it inside on the binder, it'd be absolutely fine. And then hole punch and store it into your binder. Or you can, if you want to, purchase some of like the A5 pockets that you can get and put your kits in that instead. I do have reusable sticker books coming into the shop. I have a couple of them in now already, but there'll be some new designs coming too, so do keep an eye out for that if that's something you prefer instead of a binder. And finally, it wouldn't be an EllieBeth box without a creative pack. So let me just make a little bit of space. Pop you over there. Try not to get the reflection from my light above. I've actually changed my lighting for filming, because if you've seen my other recent videos, you'll know that I'm now working in a separate office as well as at home, or from home I should say, and my other sets of lights are now in the office. So in the creative pack, let's get inside, shall we? Oh. So this is themed with the same artwork as Summer Skies, so it's kind of our secondary theme. And first up we have a gorgeous 4x6 card with that quote from Vincent van Gogh, "I never get tired of the blue sky." And this is actually also a giant sticker, because it's actually made from vinyl and you can just take it off the back and use it as a big sticker if you want to. Then we have a selection of die cuts and tabs. Let me just show you those. So we have 3 tabs, and again these are made on the vinyl, so you can actually just peel them off and use them as stickers if you want to. They're not the new vinyl though, let me just be clear on that. They're not the new repositionable vinyl. These are actually on the previous type that I use, so they are inkjet printed, they're not UV inks. So yeah, don't go sticking these in your glass of Fanta is all I will say. So honestly, the things that people do to stickers. So we have a selection of different die cuts, and I'm really pleased with how these came out. Just the detail on the different images are just so beautiful. Let's just get you in focus. There we go. So you can see there on the butterfly that little hint of glitter on the wings. Sadly not real glitter, but hey, you know. I can print white, but I can't print glitter yet. Give me time. And then we also have our papers, vellum and acetate. So 2 double-sided papers. The first has this gorgeous kind of ombre effect with the butterflies and florals, and then a really bright summery floral on the back. Let's see where we are. Oh, right, okay. Sometimes yours will come with a strip on like this. If it's the acetate, just peel that off. It also tells you which side the ink is on, because it's not on that side. So our acetate is this lovely selection of butterflies, and it is on a light blue background. Let me just move this. So, oh, have I got something white to hand? You'd think I would have, wouldn't you? Please wait, your call is important to us. Right, just find that so you can see. There we go. So it is on a really subtle, quite subtle pale blue background with a faint polka dot in. Then our next card has this beautiful bright floral and the butterflies again. And finally, the vellum is the cloud pattern, because I thought this would be absolutely gorgeous for layering, perhaps layering over that way, or indeed you could layer the butterflies underneath if you wanted to. You could then also use your sort of quote sticker. So I thought that would give you quite a range of different things that you might want to do with that. So there we go, that is everything that was in the summer experience box. I can't even get it all in shot. This went on sale, as I say, in April of this year, and the pre-order price was £50 plus P&P. The actual value of it though is well over, I think we're close to 70. 60, 70. Yeah, the actual value though is, you know, I always say it's over 65. This actually ended up being over 70. By pre-ordering, you are getting the very best possible kind of discount and benefit that I can offer you. If you missed out on this, but you think that perhaps one of the seasonal experience boxes would be something you would enjoy, please keep an eye out, because in July, probably, I would say the second week of July, because I'm going back to hospital in a week's time to for, well, it's actually fairly major surgery, but it'll be fine. And so I will be taking a week or two off work. So keep an eye out, because the autumn experience box will be up for pre-order very soon as well. I might even put it out next week. We'll see how it goes. But this is something that then comes through, and you can choose your size of stickers, your planner pouch, and then the rest of it is a surprise. Thank you so much for watching, lovely people. I hope you enjoyed seeing what was in this year's summer experience box. And until next time, take care of yourselves, and bye-bye for now.